Good evening, everyone. I'm glad to participate in this evening. I was actually invited by Pakyan or Miriam to perform, and it's been a long time when I was in the university some 2 or 3 decades ago. So when I was a member of the university choir. So I will be performing 2 songs. The first song is Ang Dalagang Filipina, which literally means the Filipina Maiden. And the second song is entitled Dahil Sa'yo, which is very popularly known as, or literally means because of you. And to accompany me, we have TJ, or Tony John Montserrat, who is a PhD student from the computer science. And I should thank Mark for the arrangement, finding him. And for the next song, I will be accompanied also, TJ will be joined by our very own major student who is in his 3rd year, Chao Yang. Chao Yang went to the Philippines to spend his semester away in Southeast Asia, and he attended the Ateneo de Manila University. In fact, the Southeast Asian Studies Department has MOUs, or Memorandum of Agreement, with several universities in the region. So this is an opportunity for those majoring in Southeast Asian Studies to learn about Southeast Asia. Right, we have partnership in Vietnam, in Indonesia, in the Philippines, and also in Thailand. Yes. Okay. So the first song is Ang Dalagang Pilipina, which is a composition in the 1960s. It's about the Filipina maiden. It describes the attributes of a Filipina maiden: her shyness, her beauty, her gentleness, her strong courage, her pure heart. She's even likened to a morning star that radiates with beauty, great beauty. It is also compared to a fragrant flower and to a stream that provides happiness and joy. The second song is Dahil Sa'yo, or Because of You, which was composed in 1938 by Mike Velarde. It's a classic Filipino love song. And it was very popular and successful, that it was covered by many international artists like Nat King Cole, Julio Iglesias, The Letterman, and even the Japanese harpist Tadao Hayashi. And it describes the reasons for loving someone. Because of you, there's a joy in living. Because of you, life is heavenly. And because of you, love is sweet and tender. All right, we'll start. I'll look into my notes because the words are so deep. Dalagang Pilipina, pagtalas sa umaga, kung tanawin ay nakaliligaya, may ningning na tangi at dakilang ganda, maging sa ugali, maging sa kumilos, mayumi, mahihin, mabini ang lahat ng ayos, malinis ang puso, maging sa pag-iro, may tibay ang tinig ng loob, bulaklak na tangi, marilat, ang Panginoon ay bumahalinguya, sa mundo'y dakilang pangyayas, pangaliw sa pusong may hirap, batis ng ligaya at hantungan ng maglang pangarap. Iyan ang dalagang Pilipina, karapat-dapat sa isang tunay na pagsinta. Maging sa ugali, maging sa kumilos, mayugi, mahinhin, mati, ang lahat ng ayos. Malinis ang puso, maging sa pagkiro, may tibay at tinino, bulaklak na tanging marinan, ang banuay haleluya, sa mulo'y dakilang panghiyas, pangaliw sa pusong nahihirap, batis ng ligaya, hantungan ng madlang pangarap. Iyan ang dalagang Pilipina, karapat-dapat sa isang tunay na pagsinta. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. That's actually the favorite song of my mother, who's celebrating her 100 years in 27th of March. But she's up in heaven. Sa buhay ko'y labis ang hirap at pasakit ng pusong umiibig, mandi wala ng langit, at nang lumigaya inanong sa dusa, tanging ikaw sinta ang aking pag-asa. Dahil sa'yo nais kong mabuhay, hanggang mamatay. Dapat mong tantuin, wala nang ibang hiling, puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin. Sa'yo ako'y lumigaya, pagmamahal ay alayan ka. Kung tunay mang ako ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo. Kung tunay mang ako ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo, oh,